The Guardian2100 is suspended. The Guardian2100, who is suspended, is Vogter2100, which is his main channel. And the Guardian2100 was created because his Vogter2100 was suspended. And dude, you need to keep with just one channel and stop creating other channels because you have your main channel. And the reason why the Guardian2100 was suspended was due to the Christian fundies, or fundamentalists, whatever you want to call them. They flagged him down and DMCA'd him down. And that is the Alliance of Christ, which does not have an account anymore. They closed it. So they laughed in his face after taking his YouTube channel down and then closed their account. And that would be the Woods of Jordan and God, Gun, Guts, Glory, which is also suspended. And many, many others. They just do not like this guy who looks like an Indian because he has black eyes. Because he is not from Denmark. He is an immigrant. And why are you in Denmark anyway? Don't you know they have the highest taxes in the world? Their tax rate is 62%. And they will start taxing candy and cookies and other sugar substance starting the beginning of next year. How can you live like that? If I lived in a country that taxed me 2/3 of my income, I would leave.